Well, I took off from this stop sign over here and it felt a little weird. Hit something on the road. As far as I can tell, that's just the only hole. Down here, I don't think there is one. So, hard to record and do that at the same time, but there it is. Time to pump it up. Conveniently, it's actually right by the fill here, the valve, so it's easy to remember where it's at. Unfortunately, this is going to take forever. It's about 1 psi a minute. I need a different way to fill my tires, and actually my dad gave me an air pump out of his bike when he sold it, but guess where it is? 400 miles away in Minnesota. Well, I've been listening to a podcast while I've been pumping this up. I got 20 psi in it. It's holding. I put a bunch of my spit on here to see if bubbles came out, and nothing did. So I think it's fixed. I've got a lot of faith in these plugs, actually, and I'm gonna go to Beersford because that's along my route, and hopefully put some air in it in Beersford, get it up the rest of the way. I mean, you know, it's 29 usually, but my arms are frickin' shot, and that 20 psi took me almost 15 minutes with this thing, so hopefully I don't lose much taking it off, and then we can get back on the road. Well, I made it to Beersford. Plug stayed in, and I didn't lose any air on the way here. And then it's messing with me because their hose leaks, but that noise is the hose leaking, not this. So I've got 30 psi in the rear. I should be fine now. We'll see. I'm still gonna keep riding.